repeating, the question reads, find n if integral of x squared plus nx dx is equals to 27. This question came in Addition Mathematics 2017 paper 1 GCE, and it was at question 11. Okay, so I'm going to repeat, find n if the integral of x squared plus nx dx is equals to 27. So we have our solutions here. Our solution. Okay, so we have something like this. The integral of 3, 0 down here, open brackets, x squared plus nx, close brackets, dx is equals to 27. So for the function to reach this part, it means that it was differentiated. So we need to integrate it so that we take it back to what it was before it was differentiated. Okay, so the taking back of the function to its normal, it's what we call integration. So we need to integrate this part. So for now, let's deal with this part. We ignore this part. Okay, so inside the brackets we have x squared plus nx. Okay, so for us to take it back to what it was, we just add 1 to the power, then divide the sum, then do this x divide the sum of the power and the one that you have added. Okay, so I've said that we just add 1 to the power, so we're going to have x to the power 2. I said that we add the 1, so plus 1, then we divide the same thing that has happened on top. So on top we have 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, plus, even this side we also do the same, n x. So here there is no power, so it means that the power is 1. When the power is 1, we don't show the power, so meaning that there is 1 here, we just add 1. We even do the same thing down here, so 1 plus 1. Then just find the sum of this and this, also this and this. So you're going to have 2 plus 1, that will give you 3. So we will have x to the power 3, x to the power 3, 2 plus 1 to give you 3, x cubed over 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, it will give you 3. So in short, you just divide it by the power. Okay, so plus n x 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 to give you 2. So we're going to have n x squared 1 plus 1 to give us 2. So this is where the square just come from. 1 plus 1, it will give you 2. Okay, so we have differentiated this function. So this was the normal function before it was integrated. So they just integrated it to come to this part. Okay, so having differentiated, you can now consider these things that we said that we should forget it. So we have something like this. Sorry, let's just write it properly. Okay, 3 0. So we're just going to replace these values in this integral. So we do the values that we get by replacing this value in this integral minus this, and it will give us 27. I'm going to repeat what I said. So I said that we're just going to do the values that we will find by replacing this number which is on top in this integral of ours minus the value that we'll find by replacing this value in this integral. Okay, so we have 3. So this means that x is equals to 3. Okay, x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 2. So we do the value of x, which is 3, but we place it in this integral minus the value of x, which is 0, after we place it in this integral. So we are going to have x cubed. Remember where there is x, I said we'll place 3. We'll place 3, so we're going to have 3, don't forget the cubed, 3 cubed over the 3 down here. Okay, so plus n, the 3, see the ax is equals to 3, so we're going to have 3 squared over 2 minus 0 cubed over 3. Okay, so we put this in the bracket so that we don't get confused. Plus we just do the same, n multiplied by 0 squared over 2 and this will give us 27 according to the statement which was given there. So this is equals to 27. Okay, so here the common mistake that's the most of us students make is to divide this and this. So you cannot divide this and this because this has a power of 3 and this has a power of 1. So you cannot divide that. If you do that, you're going to be marked wrong. So first of all, you need to find the value of 3 cubed. That's when you can divide. Okay, so don't divide that. So 3 cubed, this will give you 27. 3 cubed, it will give you 27. So we are going to have 27 over 3, isn't it? 27 over 3 plus n multiplied by 3 squared. So 3 squared will give us 9. So we're going to have 9n over 2. 9n over 2 minus, so 0 cubed, it will give us 0. 0 divided 3, it will give us 0, plus 0 squared, that will give us 0, and multiplied by 0, it will give us 0. 0 divided 2, it will give us 0. So in short, this is 0. This is 0. So we're going to have 0 here, which is equal to 27. So make sure that you are following attentively. So 27 divide 3, it will give us 9. 27 divide 3, it's 9. So 9, you can confirm on calculator, plus 9 n over 2. This is 0, so no need of putting it here again. So is equals to 27 because 0 means nothing. It's equals to 27. Having reached this stage, you just now collect like terms. So if you see 27 and 9 are like terms, so we can collect them by taking 9 to this side, and when 9 crosses the equal sign, it's going to be a negative number. Okay, so we are going to have 9n over 2. 9n over 2 is equal to 27. I said when 9 crosses the equal sign to become negative, so we're going to have 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9. Okay, so we maintain our 9n over 2. 9n over 2 is equal to 27 minus 9. This will give you 18. 27 minus 9, it will give you 18. Then we just cross multiply. So because 18 in a fraction way can be written as 18 over 1, so we can cross multiply. So cross multiplication means that the numerator will multiply the denominator, and there another numerator will also multiply the denominator. So this will take us to this stage. 2 multiplied by 8, or 2 multiplied by 18, sorry, 2 multiplied by 18, this will give us 36, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 9, and it will give us 9n. Then we make n the subject formula by dividing both sides by n. So divide by 9n, divide by n. So 36 divides 9, this will give us 4. So this and this will go, and 36 divide 9 to give us 4. So the value for n is 4. Value for n is 4. So this is the value of n. So we are a school of online tuition. If you'd like to learn with us or know more about us, you can contact us on this WhatsApp line, plus 26096 15 98 65 plus 260 965 15 98 65. So this is the WhatsApp line you can use to know more about us. So if you're watching this on TikTok, please give it a follow so that you don't miss the next question that we are going to be solving. And if it's on YouTube, subscribe so that you get notified when we post another question. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow. I greet you.